Welcome to DepoView for iPad. This free app is an effective and easy-to-use tool for managing your depositions and creating clips for your trial presentations. Be better prepared with focused deposition clips that can be made on the go. In this tutorial, we show you how to load a deposition into DepoView for iPad. DepoView for iPad supports the video and text synchronization format known as DVI, along with DVT and OpenDVT transcript-only file formats. These file formats are created by your court reporter or videographer. For more information on these file types, see the DepoView for iPad user manual or visit www.indatacorp.com/depoview-support. To import a file, open iTunes and navigate to your iPad. Click on the Apps button from the category buttons in the upper portion of the screen and scroll down to the File Shrink section of the page. Click on the DepoView for iPad button and click the Add button on the bottom of the page. A window appears where you can navigate to the file you want to import. Select the file with the DVI, DVT, or XML file extension and click Open. The file appears in the Documents list and is ready for use within the app. Open DepoView for iPad and tap the Start DepoView for iPad button. To add the transcript into your case, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen. A dialog box appears asking where you would like to import from. Press the iTunes option. A list appears where you see the file you sent from iTunes. Tap the file. Another dialog box appears asking if you would like to create a new case or download the file to an existing case. We will press Create Case. If you press Download to Case, simply choose the case you want the folder to download in. After pressing Create Case, enter in a name for the new case and press Save. The new case is created and is added to the carousel of folders. Tap the new folder where inside you will find the deposition ready for creating clips and performing other tasks, which we discuss in the Working with Your Transcript tutorial.